Hi guys, I'm Stam. Today I'm here at Khao San Road to do my favorite activities ever, massaging. But today is different and quite interesting because it's a massage shop that give you a foot massage outside of the shop. Like there are massaging band places in front of the shop. This is quite interesting and I love massaging, so let's go. This is kind of like noon time, so there's still like car trafficking in the Khao San Road.
Exhausted from walking around Bangkok all day, skip the wild bars and head straight to Khao San Road for the ultimate outdoor foot massage experience that we rate a perfect 10. This street-side oasis offers incredible, high-quality massage techniques featuring the perfect deep push and squeezing to completely revive your legs. Available day or night, you can easily customize the pressure from light to extra firm, making it the most relaxing and enjoyable alternative to the chaotic local party scene.
Okay guys, I just done doing a foot massage and you know what? It's actually good. Some of you might think that going to Khao San Road you wanna hang out, you wanna party, right? But this massage is really good. It is really hit. The staff who giving me a foot massage, he really gave me a perfect push and squeeze. You can also tell the staff how hard or how light you want for your push and squeeze too. It depends on you. If you come to Khao San Road, you have walked in Bangkok all day and your legs are sore and your feet is hurt. This is a good choice for you to relax at the end of the day. You can come during the day or at night, it's up to you. But for me, this outdoor foot massage is 10 out of 10. I really love it. Relaxing, enjoyable, perfect. If you want to see more interesting plays and content in Bangkok, Thailand, like and subscribe down below. And let's see where I'm gonna taking you next. Bye.